what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm out for another sales pitch. This time around, usually my partner does all the pitching and all the talking, but this time around it's a Burmese company, a jewelry company. So yeah, I'm gonna do the talking. I'll let him know later, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can close the deal. Grabbing some quick coffee before I meet her. I need to be energized. Anyway, I see this is right across the new DJI store. Might have to come back here later. Alright, done with the sales talk. Very promising. Hopefully they get back to me within a few days. So I've got this new tumbler from Unis, so I'm gonna try it out. Gonna make some tea and then, you know, test this out. But am I supposed to take this out? Not so sure. Okay, I think I am. Này rồi nó mày giàu tiêu.
Này rồi này sang hàng về. Này quay đi tao này.
Sao mày lại bắt tấu này đi?
Ông cái này xem được.
Xa đi rồi.
Xa cái gì? Mày đi vậy tao nghe.
Con này. Very good. Anyway, this is a very long overdue vlog. Recently, I went to Malaka and yeah, just chill, eat, sleep, and the next few vlogs is just gonna be like this one. So yeah, enjoy. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye. To the gym. Let's go. Protein wraps, let's go. Let me introduce you to the chef. Hello. Wow. supposed to be a 10 km run, but I took a really long toilet break and I'm like, my body's like cooled down. It's gonna be 7.6 km it is. Whew. Anyway, these past few days I haven't been feeling myself, and yeah, I've been at a point where, you know, feeling that I'm not making progress and I'm not getting there, and I know it's only been a few months and I shouldn't be feeling this way, but yeah, just a reminder for you guys. I think I've felt this thing 1,000 times, right? Just a reminder that, you know, just keep doing what you're doing and just keep pushing yourself. Yeah, one day when you get there, you will not know that you've gotten there, and only when you look back, when you read back your journal, that you have achieved all those things. That's, you know, exactly what have happened to me over the last few years. And yeah, right now, yeah, I'm feeling, you know, like it's not enough. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if this will work. I don't know if I should go back to my, you know, previous job, or yeah, there will be a lot of thoughts. That's what I'm feeling these few days. Yeah, but don't worry, just keep pushing forward. We'll get there one day. So yeah, that is it, guys. That's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.